I'm Jomari Silvestre, PSAMT 3A. I will report this topic in fundamentals of aerodynamics. The purpose of a wind tunnel. Wind tunnels are large tubes with air moving inside. The tunnels are used to copy the action of an object in flight. Researchers use wind tunnels to learn more about how an aircraft will fly. NASA uses wind tunnels to test scales models of aircraft and spacecraft. Types of a wind tunnel. Traditional wind tunnels are classified by the speed of the air passing through the test section relative to the speed of sound. Wind tunnel, there are four types of wind tunnel: the subsonic, the transonic, the supersonic, and hypersonic. Parts of a wind tunnel. The five basic parts of the wind tunnel from front to back is the settling chamber. Settling chamber, which rely on gravitational settling as a collection mechanism, are the simplest and oldest mechanical collectors. Settling chambers are generally built in the form of long horizontal rectangular chambers with an inlet at one end and an exit at the side or top of the opposite end. Number 2 is the contraction cone. The contraction cone's purpose is to take a large volume of low velocity air and reduce it to a small volume of high velocity air without creating turbulence. Number 3 is the test section. The test section of the supersonic tunnel is placed at the end of the diffuser. From a consideration of conservation of mass, for a compressible flow, we can design the test section to produce a desired velocity of Mach based on the area in the test section. Number 4 is the diffuser. Plain and simple. A diffuser is used to fill the air in a room with tiny breathable particles of beneficial essential oils, giving the room a calmer, more pleasant smelling ambience. It's well known that scent is associated strongly with memory. The drive section. The drive section is at the very back of the wind tunnel and it is where the fan located. And ayan po yung yung setting chamber. Ito sa dulo, dito sa arrow. Dito po yung setting chamber. Then the contraction cone, the contraction section, ito, yung kulay blue. Then, the next step is the test section. Test section, the airflow, papunta dito sa diffuser, then lalabas dun sa fan na ang drive section. From settling chamber to contraction section, test section, diffuser to the drive section. Sample problem. Air having standard sea level density, a velocity at a section of a wind tunnel, at another section having an area half as great as the first section, the flow velocity is 400 mph. What is the density at the second section? Given is P1 is equals to
0.002377 slug per feet cube. B1 is equals to 100 feet per second. A2 and A1 is equals to 0.5 or A2 is equals to 0.5. 2 is equals to 400 mph multiplied by 88 feet per second over 60 is equals to 586.66667 feet per second. P. So P1 A1 P1 is equals to P2 A2 B2. Ayan yung formula natin. Then P2 is equals to P1 over B2. A1 over A2 is equals to 0.002377 slug per feet cube multiplied by 100 feet per second over 586.66667 feet per second multiplied by 1 over 0.5. Then the answer is the phi2 is equals to 8.10 multiplied by 10 negative 4 slug over feet cube. And that's the final answer.